Good morning, everybody, and welcome to you all to this English poet. Today, we are going to learn how to write short story. Short story is a very important part of English language, which deals with creativity and imagination. First of all, let us know what a short story is. A short story is a prose deals with a part or incident of one's life, starts unexpectedly and ends in an endless anxiety. So, means a short story is a prose piece. I may say that means plot may be there in any other poem. Means plot may be there. Means in a novel, plot may be there. In a drama, means plot may be there. But basically, short story is a prose piece, and it deals with a part of our life means any incident, any event, any means anything that happens in life. It becomes a short story if presented nicely. So as I told you, it depends upon the creativity and imagination. As you know, means you may note it, creativity is the means creativity is the child if imagination is the parents or father. Means imagination gives birth to creativity, and prose means short story is a outcome of that activity, means that creativity. Hence, we should keep it in mind that such story deals with one's life, starts unexpectedly and ends in an endless anxiety. You see, we will discuss what is this unexpectedly, starts unexpectedly and ends in means endless anxiety. But before that, let us see that it's a part of or incident of life, an event of life. And what is this life then? Means life is a duration, a timeline from birth to death. When one takes birth, means we see this is the beginning of a life, and it leads to what? Not death. And means duration of that timeline is called life. And from that timeline or from that duration, the materials for the short story is taken. Now let us see what things are required to write a short story. To write a short story, one has to be very particular about the emotions, plot, and characterization. Emotions, when we are putting emotions, uh, we have to consider either this one is a happy plot, either this one is a sad plot, either this one is a comic plot. We have to keep it in mind. Then accordingly it has to be means it has to be presented. Then plot means the story and characterization. Then let me tell you what things are required for this for this means way of writing. Particularly or basically three things are required, basic things are required. They are setting or location, then a plot, then a characters. Location means a place where the things are means taking place. Then plot means a timeline, as I have told you, and characters, those who are those by whom the plot is moving ahead. They are the characters. So without characters, a short story cannot cannot be forwarded. So means setting or location, plot or story, then the characters. They are the three basic things of basic things of writing a short story. Now, let us see, it's very important that before we write the short story, we should know the concept of a tragedy and comedy and problem. Means in this regard. In this regard means in English literature, what is the concept of, or in literature, what is the concept of a tragedy and comedy? A concept of tragedy and comedy. Now let us see concept of tragedy. Concept of tragedy, we may say that means according to the Aristotle in Poetics, he has means given his concept that means we will discuss later. Now means what tragedy means or comedy means means in the ordinary sense, what we are means according to the people, according to the general people, that means if the story is full of pathos, if the means the whole story is full with torments and means tears, then that one is called a tragedy. And comedy means if the whole story is full of farce, fun, and means comic elements, that one is called comedy. But means actually the concept what Aristotle has given in Poetics, tragedy is a means tragedy is an imitation of an action that is complete, serious, and in a certain magnitude. Means tragedy is an imitation of an action, as I told that means it's a means what a part means an incident of our life. So imitation of an action, imitation of that action, imitation of an action that is complete, means it starts and ends, starts and ends, hence it gives a complete sense, means in between it never ends. So means complete, serious, it should be serious, and in a certain magnitude, in certain length, it should be there in means with a certain length. Hence what happened, this is the concept of means again means more things are in language, it embellished with means in language it embellished with the pity and terror with proper catharsis. So we are not going there. Concept of drama is coming. So I may say this is the general concept of this is the concept of tragedy in English language. So means generally we may say if the whole story may be full of means what happiness, but the if the end is means if the end is what going with a separation, then that will be called a tragedy. The same way comedy is not that farce, comedy is not that fun, comedy is not that means what entertainment. Rather what comedy means unhappy ending. Tragedy is sorry comedy is a happy ending. Tragedy is the unhappy ending where separation is there. Comedy is the happy ending, what we say called what we say what means happy ending when a reunion is there. And in it one problem is there, and that problem plays the role of means what we may say that spirit of that short story, we may say that means a problem plays a very important role to make a story. The problem may be individual or social. The problem may be means of a person, or maybe of a means maybe of a individual or a society. A good short story is having an unexpected beginning, as I have told you earlier. That unexpected beginning. General beginning, if you are doing once, there was a king and he was ill, he had three daughters. The main thing is we have to attract the readers. So the presentation of short story or the presentation of writing means depends on us how to attract the readers. If the reader has started reading, he or she has to finish it. That should be there in our mind. That should be our motto. That should be our intention. So means unexpected beginning. Unexpected beginning means at once if you are, it is started. So obviously the an anxiety will be there in the mind of the readers, that something is going to happen there. So means with a new view, means he or she will be reading it. So a good story is having an unexpected beginning. Then next, eventful middle. The middle should be eventful, full of incidents, and thoughtful ending. Thoughtful ending means what? I may say that uh, at the end of the story, a spark of thinking should be left over the people, over the readers, so that the reader will think what must have happened next. What must have happened next? The ending should be left over the reader. That is called thought provoking. Means we are provoking thoughts there. So that should be there. According to George Bernard Shaw, the end result of decision should be left to the reader. Means the end result should be left to the readers, so that he will be thinking that what must have happened next. Then let us see what is that aim of writing a short story. Aim of writing short story means uh, what is the motto, what is the intention. The aim of writing such story is to expand and creative and imaginative skills in the form of a story, form of a form of a plot. I'm making it clear. Story is not a tale. Tale and tale, tale and story, there is a difference between tale and story. Tale, we may say, all means I may say that short stories, all short stories may not be tales, but all tales are short stories. All short stories may not be tales, but all tales are short stories. Tales are a part of short story, or we may say it's other form of short story. Short story means we may say in an improved part of that story, the way of writing, the way of presentation, it depends upon that. So the aim of writing such story is to expand the creativity and imagination skills in the form of a story. A student is given hints in the form of outline or a virtual stimulus in the form of means picture cartoon, or picture cards. A short story expresses only one thought, incident, or idea. So if we go through the presentation of the short story, when a student is presenting the things in the examination, some either some pictures or some outline have been given, and you have to the student has to compose it. The student has to means give the outline a shape, and in a proper shape when it is presented, means by giving all the elements of short story like plot, means like setting, like characters, like a problem, then that will be called as short story. So I may tell you, the aim of writing short story is to expand the creativity and imaginative skills. Okay, the creative and imaginative skills in the form of a story. So means how the writer is presenting himself or herself, that matters in when someone is writing a short story. So to develop the story, one should follow the following steps. Write the title of the story first. The means you see, either you can write the title of the story, or you can left the means name for means towards the end, so that you will keep it there and you will write it later. Then read all the given hints, means or outlines again and again, so that the plot of the story becomes clear. While developing the plot, one should select the situation from the real life, means frame sentences from the given hints and outlines. Then what happened? The first and last sentences must must conform to the plot. Try to express only the given hints or outlines. However, one can use one's own creative ideas to develop a short story. So one can means go with his own story also, but means so far as examination is concerned, means one has to use the outlines of, means outlines or the given hints. So means the language of the short story should be quite means unique, and means innovative use of language structures fused with humor and hunting images are some qualities of a good story. So means you have to keep it in mind that when you are writing such story, innovative uses of language uh, should be there, and structures, various types of structures should be fused with humor. Means use of idioms, use of phrases, use of means different types of clauses will give a means beautiful means I may say impact to that means story. Then when you are writing those things, you have to keep it in mind. Now let us see, means in junior classes, in place of outlines, words or situations can be given to develop a story, means keeping in view the creativity and imagination of the students. Flat and traditional pattern of writing can be adopted in junior sections to develop their creativity and imagination. Now the thing is, means how it is being given, means with outline. Just you see the outline. Later we will go with the means example. So you see how the outline has been given. Yes, I don't understand how to handle this naughty girl. If by mistake eyes go out of her, she does wonders, breaking glasses, tearing papers, pulling the filters, etc. Oh, it's enough. Mrs. Dixit showed her anger. Now, means keeping that outline in mind, we have to start the story. In the next video, we will see how the story is going on. So, wait for the next. Thank you.